How to edit tables in Google Docs. A table is a grid of cells arranged into rows and columns. Tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks like presenting text information and numerical data. Now first what we're going to touch on is inserting the table. What you want to do is click on Insert, Table, and what's really cool here, you have a visual representation of how the table is going to look like. So let's say we want a 3x3. Now let's insert a couple of different things just so we can get a feel of the table. So here we can move around the table. So for example, if we want the first set of cells to be bigger than the others, we can just do this and it'll basically expand it. Same goes for the side to side. We can do this. Now, if we want to align the text inside of the table in the middle, just select everything and click Center Align. This will basically just align the text. You can also change the font, say Impact. You can also change the color, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Now to change the color of the first couple of cells, what you have to do is select and click Highlight Color. And background color, let's select black is a bad choice because we can see the okay, let's do that. And here we change the color. You can also add and remove, and right clicking on a random cell, and we can click on Insert Row above. You can delete row, you can delete the column of the cell that you selected. So it's all based around what cell you've right clicked on. We can also split the table, sort table, distribute rows, distribute columns, and whatnot. Now there's also an option called Table Properties. You select the entire table, right click, and here you have Table Properties. Here you have the extra options. So the first one that you can do is minimum row height. This determines the minimum height. So let's say the minimum height is you can also have the column width. Now we can select table alignment, and as you can see the table is at the left. If we click center, it's going to center the table, and that's how to edit the table in Google Docs.